If you have low back pain and you're afraid of bending your spine or arching your spine too much because it hurts, well, I'm Dr. Davis and I'm going to show you how to use cat-cows, a yoga position, a yoga flow really, to begin to desensitize your spine so that you can bend your spine. Because guess what? Bending your spine is not only safe for low back pain, but it's also incredibly important for the health and longevity of your spine. So a cat-cow begins on your hands and knees, and I prefer a soft padded surface. You could do this on a rug or a carpet as well, a nice plush carpet, or a yoga mat is good as well. And you can start by arching the spine and then slowly rounding the spine. Now again, if you have low back pain, a lot of times people are nervous to bend their spine because they think it's bad for their spine. It's not bad. It's actually very, very safe. But when you start to do these cat-cows, I want you to start with really subtle movement, just really gentle, whatever you can tolerate. You don't have to push in each direction and bend as far as you possibly can just yet. So you'll start in a neutral position and then just arch your spine just a tiny bit and take a nice full breath through the nose and look up. And then exhale and round your spine, maybe just a little bit at first. Maybe it's not this huge rounded position, right? Just a little movement and then relax. Just inhale, slight movement. Focus more on the breath than the depth of the curvature at first. So you just inhale when you look up, nice and slow, and then exhale, really gentle movements as you work through this. Now, it's really common for people when they're doing this that one direction of the movement, either bending or arching, it's different for everybody, but it's really common that one direction feels really nice and the other direction hurts. If that's you, if you do this and you're like, well, I can arch my spine, but rounding my back like a turtle really hurts. Well, okay. That does not mean you should not round your back. All that means is I want you to explore the direction of movement that feels good as much as you can, but the direction that hurts, we can explore less, right? So if it feels really good to arch your spine, then do it as much as you want. And when you're going back the other direction, if it hurts this direction, well, don't go all the way, but just explore a little bit, whatever you can tolerate. So it might look like this. Maybe arching my spine this way and looking up. Oh, I love it. It feels really, really good. But when I round my spine, it hurts. So, okay, this is as far as I go. And so maybe for a few days or even a week, I go really far in one direction and I only gently explore the other direction. That's fine. That's totally acceptable. And then eventually you'll get used to moving in the direction that you were previously sensitive. And then we can go a little bit further and a little bit further and a little bit further and a little bit further until you have your full range of motion and your body isn't nervous about it. So just remember that when you have low back pain, it's really important to keep your spine moving in every direction. You do not have to baby it. You do not have to constantly brace your spine. It is safe to bend it, but it also doesn't mean you have to go bending your spine like crazy. You can start with gentle little movements because motion is lotion for your spine. It literally hydrates your joints. It is important for the hydration of the spinal discs as well. And the health and longevity of your spine depends on how much you use it. And motion is lotion. I'll see you in another video.